Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. This video will cover how to submit an inspection to be analyzed by Scopito experts. Let's get started. Now that we have created our inspection and uploaded our inspection image data, our next step in the workflow will be to perform analytics. To submit our inspection for expert analytics, we will start from within the inspection, and then we will navigate our mouse to the bar menu at the right side of our screen. At the bottom, we will see the Analyze button. Click here to then choose the type of inspection. In this example, we will click on Expert Powerline Analysis. On this screen, we see an explanation of the analysis. Here, we will see a URL to complete a survey. Just right-click and click Go to open up the form. Here, we will complete all of the fields pertaining to our inspection, as well as any specific needs and the time frame we need it. Then, click Submit. This will result in a response from Scopito that indicates pricing, turnaround time frame, and/or other needed information. We will then return back to our Inspection tab to continue with our inspection analysis order. Here, we can specify a filtered set of images. For example, if we want analysis of the images for a specific tower, we filter that by clicking on the tower here, and that will filter down to that specific set of images. Then by clicking Filtered, or we can just click All to include all of our images included in the inspection upload. Once we're satisfied with our selections, we then just click Submit Inspection. The inspection will then go into a pending status and enter the queue for expert analysis. Thank you for viewing this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.